Welcome to RubberForm. We'd love to show you some of our top products.
This is our new and improved 4-inch spill containment T-Berm. It's highly chemical resistant and extremely easy to install.
This is the only United States manufactured wheel stop. It's patented with proprietary polygons, snap-on with a lifetime warranty.
Next up on the tour is our 36-inch speed hump, which is best used at school districts, slowing traffic down to about 10 to 15 miles an hour.
These Trackout mats help knock off all the dirt and sediment that's on truck tires in construction sites. We ship them right to a construction site. All you need is a front loader to pick them right off the pallet and lay them down. They're ready to use. No install needed.
Next up on our tour is our first product that RubberForm produced in 2006, our sign base.
This is our Street Defender curb. It started as a bus lane curb, which then migrated to a bike lane, and now it's a Street Defender. The Street Defender curb helps with street takeovers and sideshows. Thank you so much for coming with us on the tour today. If you have a need and you want to bring it to life, give us a call.